Speaking of new automakers, let me show you an upcoming Chinese EV, the Zhiji L7, with a 621-mile range and wireless charging. And first off, before you click on anything, 2 questions for you. What do you think about the design of the front end? Does it remind you of anything? Do you like it?
It's cool. It has like a really edgy, sharp looking front end. It's nice.
So it, for me, is quite reminiscent of a Lexus vehicle. I think it's the LFA.
Yeah.
Do you know the one I'm talking about?
Yeah, yeah.
Pull it up real quick. Only if you don't mind. Is it the LFA I'm looking for? Or is it something else? Not the LFA. It's what is the one? You're just gonna do Lexus. Wow. Good luck to you. It's the high performance model. LC something. Try that. There you go. The front end. Look at the front end on the black one there.
Oh, yeah.
Or even the one where you can see more of the front end. Yeah, there. It has this like these triangles or arrows going in. See that?
Yeah.
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I see it.
Do you actually, or are you patronizing me right now?
No, I do.
Yeah. I mean, I don't care. By the way, I'm not the guy that's like the police on this thing. Probably many cars over the years have had arrows coming in, but it gives it a look of speed. Question number 2, the presenter here, what do you think about his fit?
Well, he's a guy.
Go ahead.
Is he the CEO?
No, I think he's kind of like a presenter. Like he's a YouTuber type of thing.
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
It's different. He's not wearing a suit or anything. Like urban wear.
Is it too?
Hardcore.
Is it a lot of clothing? Are you hot looking at it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. Because it's a layers. It's like a long sleeve.
It is. Yeah.
With a hoodie layer and a jacket, which I'm getting hot. And it's also they're Jordans. They're Jordans, and you know, Jordan is it's a substantial shoe.
It's a high top.
It's a thick pant. Yeah. So.
Well, he's doing his thing.
I'm sure he is.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this vehicle, 621-mile range, is noteworthy on its own. One of the backers for this company is Alibaba Group, by the way. Full electric sports sedan, decent range, state-of-the-art interior, and the wireless charging, which is the thing I want to see. Wireless charging would be great. You know, I've been plugging this car in now, and I realize it's not going to be as efficient or fast, but I would love to imagine a day in which you just roll over top.
Is that what this car does?
I don't think this one rolls over top. I think it's like one of those ones from the nose.
Oh, okay.
That you install. At first, the vehicle will be offered with a 93 kilowatt-hour battery pack that'll give it 615 kilometers of range, but a larger 118 kilowatt pack offered in the future, which will boost the range to the 621 miles or 1,000 kilometers. I mean, everybody wants that. 1,000 kilometer range seems to be the target. We just had the EQS in here, and I was telling you, I mean, range was a big story for them, 700, around there. Oh, also, this vehicle has the no side mirrors. It's got the cameras on the side. Quite sleek.
I guess that's a camera, too.
There's cameras on here, Will. That's a 180-degree camera up there. So anyway, yeah, you can go take a peek at it if you want, but like they are rapidly, the EV market is rapidly expanding, period.
Does it say price here?
No. I think we're too early.
Okay.
Maybe. I mean, price is somewhere, but it's not on here. It's also going to be pretty quick, by the way. 0 to 60 in 3.9. We're not talking about crazy, stupid numbers, but that's not bad.